Right, so what I'm going to do is when I come round here, I'm going to go up one of these berms, but I'm not going to turn, I'm going to go up one, and then when I land, I'm going to try and manual.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face just to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone.
Wait there. On your marks, get set, go.
Right, now it's lap 2. I got to beat 29 seconds. Yeah.
Right, you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Right, lap 3's coming up. Hopefully I can beat 29 seconds. Okay, there we go.
You got this, Arthur, you can do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What do you reckon you got?
29 seconds.
You actually beat 29 seconds?
Yeah, 28 and something.
28, 2, 2.
Yeah.
So you actually beat it?